Rainy. What do you think of your bath? You will be all clean. I love you. And Tina. Oh, it's a video. I'm like smiling. I hate them. And we'll see if you can see the size difference between a 15.3 hand Rainy and like a 17 hand Tina. There's a big difference. Aw, good job, guys.